white label Candina ShipOwner 421. Today we see how these flying falcons, these prime ministers, provide us with fake news and growth tax everywhere. Now they are thinking about lowering interest rates to zero. Why? Because then that country with zero interest rates will lead and compete and be gold medal in business, a small medium business that provides 90% employment. Anyway, this is so simple, but in between, people, humans need to eat, and so they are flying towards the white label. Yes, no brand. Therefore, in shipping, we are going to have the same, dear ship owner. The humans are going direct to the product. Why? Because we have 50% more quantity in the yogurt, the milk, the bread, the butter, the meat, vegetables, 50% more with white label, no brand. Why then, dear ship owner, we keep using this branding of a big company that calls itself whatever brand? But is the talent on board your ship, or is it on board the manager, the brand? Come on, 50% in a yogurt. Could we think about this 50% of talent on board your ship direct with Candina? Let's white label Candina. Yes, therefore we can set around Adonis, the barriers, castle with lakes and crocodiles and snakes and all that, and then bridges, and then we can generate more brick for the walls, and then also talent, and then be competitive. We can think about many ways, dear ship owner. Let's white label, because if you do take this step forward and go direct to Candina for the HR, you will never return. That's statistics. Therefore, we are waiting. It will be a contract forever. Thank you. Bye.